Forget powders, pills and bone broth. I'm showing you a collagen boosting drink that tastes amazing and actually works, especially if you're over 50. In this video, we're diving into smarter, cleaner and way more effective ways to boost collagen, especially if you're over 50. And no, we're not talking about bone broth. That trend had its moment, but let's be real, it's messy, time-consuming and doesn't fit everyone's lifestyle. We've evolved and so has the science. If your skin's starting to sag, crease or lose that bounce, it's not just age, it's a drop in collagen and elastin. But the good news? You can get it back, naturally, no needles, no strange powders, just a delicious daily routine that works from the inside out. You'll learn how to test your skin's elasticity in under 3 seconds, discover a game-changing smoothie packed with collagen cofactors, and get pro tips to revive your glow without ever touching bone broth. If you're ready to turn back the clock in the most enjoyable, science-backed way possible, this one's for you. Let's get glowing. If you're interested in this topic, type "I am ready" right now. Just comment "I am ready." When I see your comment, I'll give you a heart. And if you want to help the channel, please leave a like and subscribe. It takes less than a second and help the channel a lot. Boost collagen, over 50, no bone broth required. Let's talk collagen, especially if you're over 50. And no, we're not going back to bone broth. That trend had its moment, and while it worked for some, let's be honest, it's messy, inconvenient, and doesn't fit everyone's lifestyle. We've evolved, and so has the science. Today we're diving into smarter, cleaner, and way more effective ways to boost your collagen, and we're bringing elastin along for the ride. Elastin is the unsung hero of youthful, resilient skin. While collagen gives structure and firmness, elastin gives your skin that bounce-back quality, the ability to snap back after being stretched or moved. It's what makes skin feel springy and alive. And after 50, both collagen and elastin production starts slowing way down. That's when you notice things like sagging, creasing, or skin that just doesn't bounce anymore. But here's the exciting part. We can encourage your body to start making more the naturally. You can test your elasticity right now using the pinch test. Simply pinch the skin just in front of your ear, the preauricular area. This spot is actually used by dermatologists to assess elasticity before certain treatments like Sculptra. Watch how fast your skin snaps back. If it's slow, loose, or leaves a wrinkle behind, it's your body quietly asking for help. But don't worry, I'm not sending you off to get fillers or lasers. There's a powerful, drinkable solution that works from the inside out, and it's delicious. We're talking about a skin-loving, age-defying smoothie packed with collagen cofactors, antioxidants and elastin-supporting nutrients. No needles, no powders that taste like beef stew. Just a results-driven blend that you'll actually crave every morning. If you've only just started paying attention to collagen now that you're over 50, it's okay. You're not too late. You're right on time. Today is your reset button. You're about to turn back the clock in the most natural, enjoyable way possible, with a VIP ticket to radiant, firmer skin and stronger connective tissue starting from within. Comment "bounce back" if you're ready to boost collagen the clean, natural way. No bone broth required. Before we blend, check your skin. Before we dive into this ultimate collagen boosting smoothie, let's take a quick moment to connect with your skin. And no, this isn't just another look in the mirror and hope for the best moment. This is a real dermatologist-approved skin elasticity check you can do right now, literally in 3 seconds, to understand where your collagen and elastin stand today. Here's how. Gently pinch the skin right in front of your ear, near the top of your cheekbone. This is known as the preauricular area. It's one of the most reliable spots to test skin elasticity because it's not overly stretched or manipulated by facial expressions. This area shows how well your skin is holding up, especially if you're over 50. Now, take a look and see which one of these categories fits you best. Example 1. Your skin takes a few seconds to bounce back. Maybe it leaves behind some soft creases or faint lines. That's a sign of moderate elasticity loss. Your collagen and elastin are slowing down, but there's still plenty of room for regeneration. Example 2. The skin snaps right back, smooth, firm, no lines left behind. Congratulations, you've got excellent elasticity and it means your skin is aging gracefully. Keep doing what you're doing and maybe share your secrets with the rest of us. Example 3. The skin barely moves or it sags and returns slowly, leaving deeper lines or folds behind. That's a red flag for significant elasticity loss. Your skin's calling out for internal support. The good news, you're in the right place to change that. Stick around. We're about to blend up a skin repairing elixir that not only tastes amazing but also helps turn back time at a cellular level. Oh, and don't forget, there's a little quiz at the end to test your collagen IQ. Ready to glow? Let's get blending. Comment 1, 2 or 3 to share your skin elasticity result. No shame, just glow up goals. Why collagen is a big deal? Hint, it's not just about wrinkles. When most people hear the word collagen, they immediately think of fewer wrinkles, firmer cheeks and smoother skin. And while yes, it does help you look younger, collagen is so much more than a beauty buzzword. It's structural magic. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, making up over 30% of your body's total protein content. It's found not just in your skin, but also in your bones, muscles, joints, blood vessels, and even your gut lining. Think of it as the scaffolding that holds everything together, giving your body shape, strength, and resilience. Here's the thing, your collagen production doesn't last forever. It starts to decline in your mid-20s, yes, that early, and by the time you hit 50, your collagen levels have dropped by nearly 50%. That's why the signs of aging seem to suddenly speed up. Your skin starts to sag, wrinkles settle in deeper, wounds take longer to heal, even your joints might start to feel creaky or stiff. You're not imagining it, your body is literally losing some of its foundational support. Now, let's layer in the impact of hormones. For women especially, the decline in estrogen during perimenopause and menopause accelerates collagen loss even more. Estrogen is a key regulator of collagen synthesis, and once levels dip around age 45, that downward spiral becomes a fast track. Your skin starts looking thinner, your jawline softens, and elasticity takes a hit. But here's the empowering truth. You don't have to sit back and accept it. Collagen loss is not a life sentence. Your body still wants to make collagen. It just needs the right tools to do it. With the right blend of vitamins, amino acids, antioxidants and hydration, you can support your body's ability to produce collagen naturally. You can protect what you have and even spark new growth. And the best part? You can do it all with something as simple and enjoyable as a daily smoothie. We're not here to mourn the collagen you've lost. We're here to celebrate what's possible when you feed your body what it needs. Ready to turn that knowledge into action? Let's blend something beautiful. Comment more than wrinkles if you finally get why collagen matters way beyond just skin deep. The ultimate collagen boosting drink. Yes, it tastes good. This isn't just a smoothie, it's a skincare ritual in a glass. And it's completely customizable, so don't stress if you're missing 1 or 2 ingredients. Here's what you'll need. Ice cubes, because no one wants a warm collagen shake. 2, 3 cubes will do the trick. bamboo extract or horsetail powder. These natural silica sources are powerful collagen cofactors. Silica strengthens connective tissue, helps build firm skin, thick hair and strong nails. Base liquid. Coconut water hydrates and delivers potassium. Almond milk is low-cal and nutty. Whole milk, yes, really, adds vitamins A, D and K2, essential for collagen synthesis and skin metabolism. Matcha powder, rich in EGCG, an antioxidant that protects collagen from breakdown. It literally slows the aging process at a cellular level. Dried or fresh mango, high in vitamin C and loaded with wrinkle-fighting polyphenols. Dried mango is potent and shelf-stable. Fresh is refreshing and juicy. Carrot juice, nature's retinol. Beta-carotene converts into vitamin A, which regenerates skin and boosts collagen growth from the inside. Pumpkin seeds, a zinc powerhouse that supports skin repair and collagen cross-linking. Also adds plant-based protein. Flax or chia seeds, loaded with omega-3s to keep skin plump, hydrated and calm. Your glow up starts here. Himalayan pink salt, just a pinch, brings in trace minerals and promotes hydration at the cellular level. Think of it as internal filler. Optional add-ins 1/4 TSP vanilla extract for flavour, 1/2 TSP raw honey or stevia for sweetness. You can also add 5 gram creatine if you're serious about skin plus muscle tone. Comment glow me up if you're ready to sip your way to firmer, fresher, younger looking skin. One smoothie at a time. Ingredients, quantities like a pro. Now that you know why each ingredient matters, let's dive into the how. This is your go-to collagen boosting base recipe. Delicious, powerful and easy to adapt based on what's in your kitchen. The goal here isn't perfection, it's consistency. Even a simplified version of this blend taken regularly can work wonders on your skin, hair, nails and joints. 1 cup base liquid, choose one. Coconut water hydrates and replenishes electrolytes. Almond milk is dairy-free, nutty and low-cal. Whole milk delivers vitamins A, D and K2 for deeper skin support. 1/4 cup carrot juice, rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A precursor. This supports skin renewal and collagen production. 1 tablespoon flax or chia seeds. Packed with omega-3s, they fight inflammation, plump skin and give your blend some texture. 1/2 to 1 teaspoon matcha powder, a collagen protector. Matcha's EGCG antioxidant slows down collagen breakdown. 1/2 teaspoon horsetail extract or bamboo powder, high in silica. These strengthen connective tissue and boost skin elasticity. 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, a natural source of zinc and protein. They help repair and maintain firm, healthy skin. 1/8 teaspoon Himalayan pink salt, just a pinch, brings in trace minerals and enhances hydration at the cellular level. 1/4 cup dried or fresh mango. Mango adds natural sweetness, vitamin C and wrinkle-fighting polyphenols. 2 to 3 ice cubes, keeps your smoothie cold, refreshing and crisp. Optional extras, 1/2 teaspoon raw honey or stevia if you want it sweeter. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract for added flavour. 5 gram creatine powder if you want to support muscle tone and firm skin. Blend everything for 30-60 seconds until smooth. Pour it into your favourite glass and enjoy slowly. With daily use, expect real improvements in skin glow, joint comfort and overall vitality. Your beauty ritual starts here. Comment blending daily if you're ready to turn this into your new beauty ritual, one sip at a time. Let's put your beauty knowledge to the test. True or false? Your body cannot produce collagen without vitamin C. Think back to our glow-up smoothie ingredients. Remember the mango, carrot juice, and even matcha? They weren't just tasty add-ins. They're collagen-boosting powerhouses, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. So, what's your answer? If you've been paying attention, this one's a no-brainer. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. It acts like the spark that ignites your body's collagen production engine. Without it, the process stalls. Still unsure? No worries, I'll reveal the answer in the comments. But something tells me you've already nailed it. In this video, you learned how to boost collagen without relying on bone broth, needles, or gimmicks. Just real, science-backed ingredients that work with your body, not against it. From the 3-second skin test to the ultimate age-defying smoothie, you've now got everything you need to start turning back the clock naturally. If you're feeling inspired to take action, drop a bounce back or glow me up in the comments. I'd love to hear where you are in your skin journey. And if you're blending this beauty elixir into your daily routine, let me know by commenting "blending daily" below. Don't forget, your support truly means everything. A quick like, a share with a friend, or hitting that subscribe button takes just a second, but it helps the channel so much. Thanks for joining me. Stay consistent, stay radiant, and I'll see you in the next glow up.